I gonna do with this Sprite? I'ma chug it. And I can't burp after I do. Why am I doing this? Yay! I've never had this type of Sprite. I've never had this cherry wine. I mean, I would rather have a Sprite cranberry, but still. Oh, I don't want to do this, but I'm doing it. For entertainment purposes. Also, just so you know, paramedics nearby. For any countdown. Alright. 3, 2, 1. Oh god. Yeah. Ooh. Oh god. Oh god, it hurts. It hurts. Excuse me. God dang, that was disgusting. That burp. Ugh. Oh my god, that hurts. Excuse me again. I'm trying to be polite about it. Still got some more. I would drink the entire thing, but I did not. I'm a disappointment. Not really. I mean, it was disappointing of me not doing the entire thing and then holding it in for as long as possible.